In this video, you'll learn how to build a Flask app using Claude Code on a Windows system. By following these steps, you will successfully set up your environment, create a project folder, and implement a simple Flask application that can generate code based on prompts. Begin by installing Python version 3.12 or later. To do this, navigate to the official Python website. Once there, find the download section for Windows and click on the appropriate link to download the installer. During the installation process, ensure that you check the option labeled Add Python to Path to make Python accessible from the command line. After installation, it's important to verify the Python and pip are correctly installed. Open your terminal and type python-version, followed by pip-version. You should see the version numbers displayed, confirming successful installation. Next, create a project folder where your Flask app will reside. In the terminal, type mkdir c users, your name called Flask app, to make a new directory. Replace your name with your actual Windows username. After the folder is created, navigate into it by typing cdc users, your name's Claude Flask app. This step organizes your project files and keeps them in a dedicated space. Now, it is time to create a virtual environment to isolate your project dependencies. Within the project folder, execute the command python-mvenvenv. This command sets up a virtual environment named ven. To activate this environment, run ven scripts activate. You will notice that your terminal prompt changes, indicating that the virtual environment is active. This isolation ensures that your project has its own dependencies separate from other Python projects. With the virtual environment activated, you can now install Flask and Claude Code. Enter the command pip install Flask Claude Code Python into the terminal. This will download and install Flask, the Claude Code library, and the Python .env package, which is necessary for managing environment variables. Once the installation completes, you are ready to set up your API key. Create a new file named quote in the root of your project folder. In this file, add the line clw _API_API_key your _API_key here with your actual Claude API key. This step is crucial because it allows your Flask app to securely access your API key. To use this key in your application, you will load it in Python using the .env package. Next, create the main Flask application file named app.py. Open your text editor and add the provided code snippets. This includes importing necessary libraries, loading the API key, and defining a route for generating code based on user prompts. Save the file when you are finished. To run your Flask server, return to the terminal and type python app.py. You should see output indicating that the server is running. To test the endpoint, use the curl command provided in the instructions. This will send a post request to the /generate route with a sample prompt. If successful, you will receive a JSON response containing the generated code. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.